How to revive a teammate in REPO. Today I'm diving into a quick and easy guide on how to revive a teammate in REPO. If your buddy goes down, don't worry, I've got you covered with the steps to bring them back. Let's jump right in. First off, you need to track down your teammate's head. Yeah, it sounds wild, but that's the deal. Since they can't talk after getting knocked out, you might have to hunt around a bit to find it. Keep your eyes peeled. Once you have got their head, pick it up and make your way to the taxman. Here's the key to this whole revival process. When you reach the taxman, look for his extravagator machine. Carefully place your teammate heads inside it. Now here's the deal, you will need to have enough in-game cash to make this work. If you have got the funds, the extravagator will do its magic and your friend will be revived once the process wraps up. And that's all there is to it. Now you are a pro at bringing your squad back to life in REPO. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.